Hello, Kindy students. How are you today? It's nice to see you again. Today, we are going to learn about short E sound words. Are you ready to start? Before we continue with our book, we are going to see some pictures and read some words. Are you ready? The first picture. Do you know what picture is this? How about the second picture? Next picture. Do you know what picture is this? And then our last picture. Do you know what is that? Good job. Now we are going to read some words. The first word. Please read it. Good job. The second one. The next word. And the last word. Can you please read it? Wow, you did a great job, Kindy. Now, please prepare your book and open your book page 5. In this page, you have to circle the correct word for each picture. Let's start from number 1. Do you know what picture is this? Yes, it is bill. Bill. Can you find the word bill and then circle it? Let's jump to number 2. Do you know what picture is that? Yes, it is hip. Hip. Can you find the word hip and then circle it? Number 3. What picture is that? Yes, it is gift. Gift. Can you find the word gift and then circle it? Number 4. What picture do you see? Look at the girl on the circle. She is slim. Slim. Can you find the word slim? Can you circle it? Good job. Now, from number 5 to number 8, can you do it by yourself? Can you find the picture and then circle the correct word? Okay, you can pause the video so that you can circle the correct word for each picture. Don't forget to complete this page by writing down your name, the day, and also the date. Okay? Let's continue by opening our book, page 6. In this page, you have to write the correct word for each picture. Number 1. What picture do you see in number 1? Yes, it is lead. Can you find the word lead in the word bank and then write it? Don't forget to cross the word lead in the word bank. Number 2. What picture is that? Yes, the girl on the circle is slim. Find the word slim in the word bank and then write it. Don't forget to cross the word slim in the word bank. Can you please continue by writing the correct word for picture number 3, 4, 5 and also number 6 by yourself? You can check how to write the correct word by looking at the word bank. Don't forget that you have to complete the page by writing down your name, the day, and also the date. Miss Len is going to wait. Are you done? Can we continue? Please open page 7. In this page, you have to find what is in the middle. Write the correct letter. Number 1. What picture is that? Yes, it is fix. Fix. What is missing? Is it ih sound? Ih sound. Can you write the letter that has ih sound? Next, number 2. What picture is in number 2? It is lead. Lead. What is missing there? Yes, it is ih sound. Can you find and write the letter that has ih sound? Can you continue by writing the missing letter for picture number 3, 4, 5 and 6 by yourself? It must be easy for you to find the missing letter and then write it. Okay? After that, please write down your name, the day and the date. Next, please open your book page 8. In this page, you have to put a tick mark if the picture has the sound of short ih. Let's check the picture one by one. The first one, what picture is that? It is lead. Lead. Does lead have the sound of short ih? Yes. Can you put a tick mark on the box? Number 2. What picture do you see? Yes, the girl is sad. Sad. Do you think the word sad have the sound of short ih? I don't think so. Can we move to the next picture? Okay, what picture do you see? It is crab. Crab. Does the word crab have the sound of short ih? Yes, you are right. Crab doesn't have the sound of short ih. The next picture that we have is swim. Swim. Does swim have the sound of short ih? Yes, it is. Can you put a tick mark on the box? The next word is milk. Milk. Does milk have the sound of short ih? Yes, it is. Please put a tick mark on the box. The last picture that we have is bill. Bill. Does bill have the sound of short E? Yes, it is. Can you put a tick mark on it? Please complete the task by writing down your name, the day, and the date. Good job, Kindy. You can finish the task nicely. That's all for today. Please have reading practice at home from the cards that we have sent. Remember that reading is easy if we do it every day. Okay? That's all for today. We'll see you again next time. Goodbye.